Hello developers! Welcome to the future. Today, we are diving deep into my video. You need to watch this full video to believe it. Let's create something amazing.
AyDictionary module in Python. AyDictionary is a dictionary module for Python 3 to get meanings, synonyms, and antonyms of words. It uses WordNet for getting meanings, Google for translations, and synonym.com for getting synonyms and antonyms. In this video, we will discuss the AyDictionary module, installation, getting started with AyDictionary step by step, and AyDictionary with Google Translate. What is the AyDictionary module? AyDictionary is a Python 3 compatible library used to fetch word meanings, synonyms, and antonyms. It is a modern alternative to PyDictionary, which often has compatibility issues with Python 3. When combined with Google Trans, it can also translate words in Python programs. Installation. We can install the AyDictionary and Google Trans modules by running this command in the console. Pip install AyDictionary Google Trans equals 4.0.0 rc1. Getting started with AyDictionary. The following steps explain how to use the AyDictionary library. Step 1. Import the module. First, import the AyDictionary library into your program. From AyDictionary, import AyDictionary. Step 2. Create an instance. Next, create an instance of the AyDictionary class. It allows you to use methods such as meaning, synonym, and antonym. Dictionary equals AyDictionary. Step 3. Fetch the meaning of a word. The meaning method is used to fetch the meaning of a word. It returns the definitions of the specified word. Example. The following example demonstrates how to find the meaning of a word using the meaning method. Explanation. In this example, we import the AyDictionary module and create an instance named Dictionary. We then use the meaning method to retrieve the meaning of the given word, store the result in the meaning variable, and print it. Step 4. Fetch synonyms. The synonym method returns a list of synonyms, similar words, for the specified word. It helps find words with similar meanings. Example. The following example demonstrates how to find the synonyms of a word using the synonym method. Explanation. In the above example, we imported the AyDictionary module and created an instance of the AyDictionary class. We then used the synonym method to find the synonyms of the word and quote, good end quote. The output displays multiple synonyms for the given word. Step 5. Fetch antonyms. The antonym method is used to fetch the antonyms of a given word. It returns a list of possible antonyms for that word. Example. The following example demonstrates how to find antonyms of the given words using the antonym method. Explanation. In the above example, we imported the AyDictionary module and created an instance of the AyDictionary class. We then used the antonym method to find the antonyms of the word and quote, good end quote. The output displays the antonyms of the given word. Using AyDictionary with Google Trans. AyDictionary can be used with the Google Trans module to translate words from different languages into English and retrieve their synonyms. It combines AyDictionary with Google Trans to find English synonyms for words in other languages. Example. The following example demonstrates how we can use AyDictionary with Google Trans to find English synonyms for words in other languages. Explanation. In this example, we import the AyDictionary and Google Trans modules and create the translator and dictionary instances. A Hindi word is first translated into English using the translator instance. Then, the dictionary instance is used to find its English synonyms.
Want to stay ahead in AI? Then join our WhatsApp channel today because we stay updated with latest tech. Just click the link below. Want to master the future? Then you need to hit subscribe right now because we bring you the best AI content. So please like and share this video.